are on Pamela's Adoring Crochet. I'd like to say welcome to my channel. And if you're new to my channel is mostly all about crochet. Well, today is the Monday crochet chat video, and today happens to be my birthday and my first grandbaby's birthday, Knox. He is 2 today. So I'd like to give a shout out to my grandson, Knox. Happy birthday, Knox. So guys, today I'm drinking out of the Be Yourself, and this is Starbucks vanilla coffee. Yeah, that's what it is. And so good. Well, today's video, I just wanted to show off a couple of things that I've made, and just remind you guys that I did release the pattern for the little pig outfit. It's the little gown, and I made a little pocket in the front and everything, and there's her little slippers. And thank you, Margie, for noticing that I didn't have the little black marks on one of my slippers, so thank you so much for that. And but yeah, this pattern is in my Etsy shop. The link will be below, and like I said, it's a little gown with a little bonnet, so very cute. So I hope you guys are enjoying the pig theme patterns that I have put out. Let's see what else. Oh yes, I'm just wanting to remind you guys to continue getting up and walking every hour, taking you at least 250 steps, and keep your heart pumping, keep yourself active. You know, if you decide you would like to join your local gym, then go ahead and do that. That'd be great. Like my gym happens to have a walking track around it, so I like to do that. I do the treadmill, and I take a few classes. I get out and I, get around other people, which is good. You need to be around other folks. But you need to, crochet is a sit down job, and you need to get up and pump up, get your heart pumping. All right, guys, so I went ahead and made a little clip of some of the exercises that I do in one of my classes. So let's go ahead and take a look at that. Oh, yeah, crocheting until I can't lift my arms counts as exercise, right? Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed that. I hope that helps motivate you. Get out there and get active, get fit. Let's see, I do have a birthday card. This is from one of the ladies from my church, and she sent this. Thank you, Joni, so much for the birthday card. I love it. And it came with a little magnetic bookmark, which I really like. So thank you so much for that, Joni. I appreciate that. And my sister Tanya asked me what I wanted for my birthday, and I told her I'd only want an infinity scarf. But you guys know, as crocheters, it's not only, because crocheting anything takes time. So I asked for an infinity scarf, and this is what she made me. I wanted it in this color, and this is what she made for me for my birthday. So I love this. Thank you so much, Tanya. I do have a tutorial on this, by the way. And look at there. It's just perfect. So I will be wearing this coming this fall. It's going to go with so many of my outfits. I didn't have one in this color, so I'm so excited about it. Look at that. Thank you so much, Tanya. And it's so soft. It feels good. So, yeah, thank you. So guys, I wanted to remind you that we have the basket a month crochet along going on this channel. This is the 3 colors. It is my basket tutorial. I do have a PDF. They're slightly different than each other, so whichever one you want to use will work. But I'm using an L hook for this. Let me see. I'm on row 11. I'm already on my walls. Go back I'll try to see if I can include that. I'm not sure. I may include it in here if I have enough space. All right, so one of the things that I do to help me keep my walls of my basket nice and strong is I go ahead and just single crochet into the stitch. But what I do is I pull like that, and it makes it tight. It's a little hard at first, but when you get into the rhythm of it, it's not. Like that. And that's going to make your walls nice and tight and strong. Let's see. Just like that. You just pull this strand of yarn like that. Like that. That's all you do. And that will make your walls of your basket nice and strong and stiff. But this is the start of my basket. These are my 3 colors that I've chose. And I appreciate you guys are posting your baskets in my Facebook group page. That is so cool. You have some beautiful baskets going on. But this will be my March basket. Oh, and thank you, John and Sue, who recommended doing this crochet along, who brought this up, and to do a year-long crochet along on the baskets. Great idea. I love it. Okay. Alrighty, guys, look what I have next. It's the robot. They have their arms and their legs on them. There they are. This is a free pattern from Line Brand. And I have on one of my last videos, I think it's the same one as that I have the tips on the basket. I give you a few little tips on how to keep these, well, not necessarily really how to keep them straight, but sort of, I guess. Anyway, I'll leave the link below and you can check out that and kind of see how I did some of these things right here. And that will help you on this. But it is a free pattern. I'll leave the link below. It's from Line Brand and it's Pixie the Robot. Here it is. So, and I used a 2.25 millimeter crochet hook. The pattern calls for, I think, a 3.25. And I used a 2.25 millimeter crochet hook for this project. The yarn is, I don't have the yarn in here, but it's just a, like, different yarn. Some is Red Heart, some from my scrap basket, and Big Twist. Those are them. So, yeah. All right, guys, let's go ahead and do our, you guys know I struggle with the name of this. Be Still and Know Devotion. You are beautiful. You are altogether beautiful, my darling. There is no flaw in you. Song of Songs 4:7. Stereotypes become stereotypes because of the truth in them. We think of the group of girls comparing flaws, comparing themselves ugly while reassuring their friends of their beauty. We've heard it, we've lived it. Are you welcoming and accepting of the woman you see in the mirror, or do you analyze, criticize, and judge her? Let us hear what the bridegroom says about us. Let us believe the encouraging words of others and silence the voice in our heads that tells us we are anything but beautiful. The voice is a lie. God's worth is truth, and He says we are beautiful. Lord, I admit I find it hard to see myself as beautiful sometimes. I choose to look at myself today and smile no matter how difficult it is. I ask that when I do, you will show me how you see me and help me believe it in my heart. I just love being able to bring that to you guys, and I'm so glad that you enjoy it as much as I enjoy bringing it to you guys. Well, guys, that's all that I have for this video. Just remember, you need to stay fit, get out, do something, or get up out of the chair every hour and walk some steps. Get your heart pumping, drink water, whatever. Be kind to yourself. All right, guys, that's all that I have. Just remember to live life and have fun. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.